In this video, I'm going to teach you how to formulate lip balm at home from very basic. These homemade lip balms give you soothing and nourishing property to your lips. Hello and welcome to Cosmetic Academy. Firstly, let's learn about the formulation. Lip balm. So what actually lip balm is? In that lip balm, we know about the lip. Let's talk about the balm. Basically, balm is a soothing and a healing substance, and consistency of lip balms is somewhat between solid and a liquid. Means we can also say that it is a semi-solid type of a thing. So this balm is applied on the lips. That's why it's known as lip balm. Lip balm is a mixture of oils, waxes and butters. That's why when we formulate a formulation for the lip balm on a very basic level, we take the ratio 1:1 of oil, wax and butters. In that ratio, one is the hardening agent. This role is played by the waxes like bee wax. Second one is nourishing agent. Nourishing agents are the butters like shea butter and cocoa butter. Third one is the carrier oil, or just we can say oil like almond oil or coconut oil. You can learn this formulation on your fingers. First one is hardening agent, second one is nourishing agent, third one is carrier oil. Now let's see fourth and the fifth one. On fourth, there is a key ingredient. Means which type of the property you want, you can add in that key ingredient. I will explain you it in detail. And the last one is preservatives. From this point, you will get an idea about the components of lip balm. So now the first ratio is waxes, that is the hardening agent. After that, the nourishing agent, that are the butters, and the third one is the oil. Keep this ratio in the mind. All these ingredients come together and give the lips the soothing and the healing property. Now, which types of the container are used to store the lip balms? Nowadays, these chapstick containers are in trend, but before 1980s, there was no chapstick container. Only this round shape mini container are available for the lip balms. In both types, we can store it according to our ease to handle. Okay, now moving on to our actual formulation, which I am going to make in this video. So what was the first point? That is the hardening agent. For it, I am using the bee wax. Now the second one. For nourishing agent, I am using cocoa butter. For carrier oil, we can use jojoba oil or the coconut oil. And for the key ingredient, we have to use essential oils. I am using Lang Lang essential oil. And last one, that is the preservative. For that, I am using vitamin E capsules. This is our today's formulation. First one is hardening agent. Repeat after me. Nourishing agent, carrier oil, key ingredient, preservative. As simple as that. 5 on 5. If you want to note it, you can note it or just take a snap of it. During making of the lip balm, I will tell you the detailed description of each and every component. Ingredients. This is the bee wax from Farm Organic, cocoa butter from Farm Organic, jojoba oil from Farm Organic, Lang Lang essential oil, vitamin E capsules, empty containers, and a bowl. These are our tools and the materials which are required in lip balm making. Okay, for making it, take a bowl and then add a bee wax just in the quantity of 1 spoon. This bee wax gives hardness to our lip balm, plus it gives the sweet taste and smell. After this, I'm using the cocoa butter. You can see how rich it is. Cocoa butter works as a nourishing agent. Cocoa butter helps to improve the elasticity of the lips, and it is a great source of natural antioxidant. So what is our third point? That is the carrier oil. I'm using jojoba oil over here. As the winter season is running, jojoba oil is best to use in winter. As waxy texture of jojoba oil forms a protecting barrier over dry and chapped lips, this barrier lock in the moisture and leave the lips feeling soft and smooth. After this, we have to melt all the ingredients in a water bath. For water bath, what we have to do is fill the container with a hot water like this, and after that put our bowl in that hot water. So this is a water bath or a double boiler. These ingredients take 10 minutes minimum to melt. In meantime, let's talk about the properties of the ingredient. The basic works of all ingredients in this lip balm is that they all hydrate and moisturize the lips at some extent. See, bee wax itself is a natural emulsifier and cocoa butter is an emollient. So both of them add a protecting hydrating layer to the lips, and jojoba oil also have this property. After melting, remove out the bowl. This is how it's look like. In that I'm adding the key ingredient and the preservative. For key ingredient, I'm using Lang Lang essential oil. As the winter season is going on, everyone feels drowsy and dull. That's why this Lang Lang oil enhance the mood and promote the feeling of joy. Plus this also improve the condition of the skin. Just add 1 to 2 drops of it and mix it properly. After that, add the preservative. I'm using vitamin E capsules for it. In lip balm, we can use vitamin E as a preservative as it prevents the oxidation of oil. Because of it, the shelf life of the lip balm is approximately 6 months to the 8 months. After proper mixing, take the empty container and pour the melted mixture into it. Make sure the container is clean and sanitized. As this is the basic tutorial, that's why I don't make the lip balm in the huge quantity, because what you see that you do. So whenever you are learning making the cosmetics or the food at initial stage, try it in a small quantity and learn from your mistake. After pouring, keep it in the refrigerator for 20 to 30 minutes. Now it's time for the application. Let's check out how it's look like. After refrigerating, it's look like pale yellow in appearance. So this is our actual homemade lip balm, which gives us the soothing and nourishing property. It has the perfect lip balm consistency. From this lip balm, very sweet and the pleasant scent is coming out because of beeswax and Lang Lang essential oil. Apart from hydrating, this lip balm also lightens the scars and hyperpigmentation. On application, it is non-sticky, creamy and soft, and gives you a slight shine on your lips, as you can see on my hand. So this is a very basic lip balm tutorial. Link of the ingredients are given in the description box. If you have any query, just comment me. And yes, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.